Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word kitten. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Tiny kitten purred contentedly as it snuggled in the warmth of the blanket. A kitten is a young cat, usually under 1 year old, characterized by its playful and energetic behavior, small size, and cute appearance. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.